Well, working on the fuel fill for that fuel cell, I've decided that's where it's going to be. By God, I hope I got it right. I got gaping holes there. See if I can make it look halfway uncobbled. We'll do some more butchering and see what happens. Well, I hate to admit it, but I sort of screwed up. A little earlier I had the 4 holes to get my nice sort of concentric edges there. And this one I put on the line down here. This one I put on the line up here. After I had them in there, I looked at them. It's like, that's not right. Fortunately, this hole that I cut is slightly smaller than the door. The door opening is going to be 3/8 bigger each way. So I left me room. Hopefully. Anyhow, we'll make it look just pretty as the rest of the truck. Little by little, we're making progress. I kind of got the booger spot welds going here, installing the gas door hinge and all this business. And then on the inside, I got the hump for the filler neck. Them are boogery, more boogery welds there. We're gonna smear over them and they're gonna disappear. If they don't, I don't care. It'll be there. But this out here, I kind of want to make that look respectable-ish. Spoof her with some sort of white and see if I can make it look old and cruddy. Yeah, well, that's the theme, old and cruddy. Truck is too. Anyhow, I'm going to do some grinding and a little more spot welding and some grinding, and we'll see what happens. Well, there we have it. We got a dual tank S10. We got a door here, and we got this guy back here. I don't think it, looks out of place much. It's got that just good enough kind of bodywork there. Inside, again, just good enough, because it doesn't, who's looking in here? We got the booger welds in there. A couple screws yet. Don't see a thing. It's fine. But that's what we ended up with on that fuel cell fill. Good day, folks. Let's take a look under here at how we're running the fuel fill into the fuel cell here. Got her notched out in the bed for clearance here. Got the door in. That tube runs a little uphill. I don't think that's going to be a problem. But then we got the fine door here, and looks just like every other one. Yeah, I'll show you some progress and such on this. I like it. Hey, tell me what you guys think, would you? Catch you later.